Well, I got that piece cut out. Pretty rotten. Got some rot right there. I have to make me a piece for that later on. Now I got these panels to fit there. I'm going to try to get all this out. Then I got one goes down there. So I'll continue to do some cutting. And I'll keep y'all posted. Well, I got them panels back in there. It ain't the greatest job, but this is going to be built about like what Musty One done on that single cab truck. I want to leave the look that it is. I just want to fix the holes and make it roadworthy. And we had a big old spot right here we fixed. And that's what we're going to do. We're going to try to blend the paint just like that. Just kind of give it that patina. So, you know, I'll have to get my putty out and fill in there where it warped a little bit. But it's coming along. Now look at it, puttied up, but I'm getting tired. It's getting kind of late. I think it's time to go in. Start on again tomorrow sometime.